After Shalini Sri and Shivani Bharadwaj, I would like thank both of them. I have a joke.
जोक तो ऐसे बोलता है मुंह लटका करके, जोक का भी मजाक उड़ाता है, जोक को ठीक से बोलता है। ऐसे आयुष बोलता है, लिसन, पहले सवाल चलो।
भीड़ में सिर्फ सर होते हैं, अगर दिमाग होते तो भीड़ ना होती। I would like to call Ayush Bhaiya of class 9th and Deepak Bhaiya of class 9th. Ayush Bhaiya will speak in favor and Deepak Bhaiya will speak in against the bill.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Ayush Kumar of class 9. Today I am standing here to discuss about the given topic and I am in favor. The topic is Uttar Pradesh Population Control Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021. So let's start. Uttar Pradesh could consider a law to implement strategy and program being devised effectively control population, said the state new policy for 2021 to 2030 unveiled on Sunday. This statement is in line with the first draft of the Uttar Pradesh Population Control Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021 released by the Upstate Law Commission for public comments. The draft bill seeks to bar couple with more than 2 children from government jobs, state welfare scheme and contesting local body election, and reward those limiting family to 1 or 2 children. Many kinds of benefit that were allowed to the government sector, 2 additional increment during the entire service, maternity and paternity, leave of 12 months with full salary, and in allowances 3% increase in employer contribution fund under the national pension scheme, and there are some punishment those who has more than 2 children. It is necessary have some pressure those who has increased the population considered as criminal. The people having more than 2 children, they will be treated as like a criminal, and they have not been given equal right according to the society. This policy aimed to bring down the total fertility rate in the state to 2.1 by 2026 and to 1.9 by 2030. Efforts will also be made to maintain balance in the population of different communities. Elaborate awareness programs will be carried out amongst communities and geographies where total fertility rate is high, and said the policy document. My friend Deepak will say against the topic and appoint awareness. First I tell you, you all know Nasha Mukt Abhiyan. In this campaign people were made aware from house to house. You tell me people stop drinking? No, they used to drink in earlier infant, and in present time they drink secretly. You tell me there is a effect of awareness? No, there is no effect of awareness. Now I think all are present here heard this statement, hum do hamare do. I think all Indians heard this statement, but they are going to have childs, so some restrictions are necessary for those who don't understand it. Now at last I want to say a line in Hindi. बच्चों को ईश्वर का उपहार ना बताओ, अंधविश्वास से आबादी मत बढ़ाओ. Thank you.
In an attempt to reduce its population, the Uttar Pradesh, the most heavily populated state in India with over 200 million people, on July 11 released a new draft policy bill. As my friend Ayush said, those people who have more than two people will be those two children will be barred from applying for government jobs, promotions, rations, and to fight. They do not fight elections. As we know that there is a lack of jobs and employment in India. Poor people have. Can you tell me poor people have jobs? No, poor people don't have any jobs. If you snatch rations from poor people, the problem of poverty will increase too much. As Ayush said, some snatching points. Can you tell me how many snatching points are forced on MLA, MPs, PM, CM? Do the government needs loans, promotions, rations? No, they do not need these things. But these things are basic right for poor. As my friend Ayush said, those people who have more than two children, they cannot fight elections. I want to ask Ayush, have you read the bill properly?
Yes.
In bill, it is written clearly that those people who have more than two children cannot fight election of Gram Panchayat, Nagar Panchayat, but they can be an MLA, MP, and they can be CM too. Are this statement not breaking the constitution? They are breaking our constitution because constitution gives us right to equality. The new policy to control the population may not have desired effect. Instead, it could lead a rise in female foeticide, or it could lead women's death or poor health. The bill, Ayush said a point, Nasha Mukti Bihar or Nasha Mukt Bihar. I tell you why people drink or sell it secretly. In COVID-19 period, many jobs of people are lost, and in 2 days people sell themselves in the earning of honesty. Those people have a burden of running their family, so they sell to running their family. Thanks.